Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 87 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to build this 1/8 scale car with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have this on your bench. Right, let's have a look through this week's magazine and see what we're up to. We are putting together the radiator back. So we've got the grille and fan housing going back to the back of the radiator. And we've got a load of screws in there as well, folks. So that's what we've got there. Simple process, line the mesh up. Pop it in place like so. Shove the radiator fan housing over, and then we're going to be screwing from the other side with PS37 screws, folks, okay? And this is what we're going to end up with, that, okay? You then got Fin of Wonder. This is BMC's relationship with Italian master stylist Sergio Pinfarina. And, yeah, it was a chance for a mark, it says here, by the late Duke of Edinburgh, and the result was a range of stylish, dependable cars that become UK street furniture in the 60s. Big old fins on the back there. This is the Mark II Austin Cambridge, folks. Yeah, iconic cars that we used to have in the UK there. Remember seeing a lot of those. My God. Anyway. So that's the magazine done, folks. So we'll put that to one side. We'll come back and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Let's bring all our parts out. There you go, so you can see them. So that's what we have got today. Let's open up the screws. Want 4 of these PS37s, if I remember rightly. So let's grab those. Get them all out. By powers of deduction, that should leave one in the packet. That's me spare. Pop one of those straight on the screwdriver, I think. With a bit of preemptive oil. Like so. Let that soak down the thread. Right. There's the mesh grill that's going on this, okay? So it's going over like so. Like that. And then we'll make sure we're orientating our radiator the correct way up. So it wants to go that way up with the little bulge poking out at the top and the peg on your left. And then we want to bring this in place, folks, okay? And we've got these little screw heads, brackets at the very top, okay? So that's how we want to orientate it. Just like that, okay? So we're happy with that. Get rid of the obligatory speck that's gone under there. Go. There you go. Murphy's Law on mine, isn't it? There you go. So we've got that all pinched together now. We can spin that round. And we've already prepped our screw. So let's just wedge that over the top of me knuckle. And we'll send that fully home. Now we ain't got to worry about things falling out. It's just a matter now of repeating this process, folks. Working our way round, so I'll do the diagonals like I normally do. Pop that one in there. Grab the next one. Again, don't go too tight because we are going into plastic, folks. Do the next one over there. Last but no means least, we'll do that one. There you go. So that's that now all firmly together. That's what we're going to end up with, folks, the back side of the radiator. So we'll be getting the front side and hoses and all of that lot to go on in the next issue. Then we can drop this in the car, folks, okay? So we'll leave that one there, nice and simple for you today. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench. Also, remember to like, share, hype and subscribe to the channel and video. Leave a comment, I'll get back to you. Thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.